What's going on, guys? It's Justin with Southern's Lawn Care, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can take off your mower blades and sharpen them by yourself for less than $10. And you're going to do that with this little tool right here. So let's get into it. Now, I know you guys are probably watching this video like, what in the world did he just show me? I'm going to show you what it is. So it's a little grinder stone that you can get. It's an attachment that you get for your drill. And I got this one for $6 off of Amazon. So how it works is you put your mower blade right in between this little crack here. So there's a rubber piece and then there's the stone. And you set your mower blade inside of it, hit the drill, and you grind it down. Now, I'm gonna be honest, this is a little bit less efficient than a big stone grinder, table grinder. But if you guys are just starting out and you need your blades sharpened, I don't know, tomorrow, and you don't have anybody who can sharpen it, you can go pick one of these up for less than $10 at a Walmart, Home Depot, pretty much just any store that sells any kind of lawn equipment. So yeah, so I'm gonna jump into showing you guys me taking off the blades and getting to sharpening. Alright guys, so we just got the 3 blades off the mower, and I'll show you guys. They're not super dull. Check it. Yeah, they're actually pretty dull, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know, like that doesn't hurt at all. It's very dull. So, you can see what the front looks like. They're still a bit shiny from the last time I sharpened them. But yeah, they're pretty dull. They got a couple nicks in them. This camera's not doing any kind of justice, but yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how to use this tool. So again, you just put it on the end of your drill, put it on the righty-tighty setting, and you're going to set your blade right in between that little groove. Now if you have a vise, that's also really good. I just hold it in my hand. It's kind of dangerous, but just hold it in your hand. I start off slow. And you sharpen. So already you guys can see, maybe you can't. Well, I can see it. It's already sharpening it. It's knocking out some of these grooves. Maybe on the back side you can see it's already knocking off a lot of that metal. You can see it sparking, so you know there's metal coming off. And I know some of you guys are gonna ask, well, Justin, how do you know if it's balanced? Well, what comes with the tool is, well, I'm missing the other piece. It's somewhere in that box, but it's a little plastic balance beam. What you do is, normally there's another little part, but you just set it on here and it'll balance. And if one side's going like this, you know you need to sharpen it a little bit more. If the other side's going like this, you know you need to sharpen it a little bit more. If it's nice and level, you know it's sharpened and you know it's level. So I'm gonna speed through these, I'm gonna sharpen these, and then I'll show you guys the result. All right, guys, so we just got done sharpening all 3 blades. I don't know if you can see, but there's still a little bit of nicks and stuff in them, obviously, but they're definitely way sharper than they were. Like, I might cut my finger doing this. And yeah, that took me about, I don't know, 15 minutes to do 3 blades. Now, I'm no way saying that this tool will ever replace a real sharpening stone, table stone. But for like emergencies or on the go, like if you're in your setup and you're out on the job and you got a real thick yard and you need to sharpen your blades real quick, this is definitely something that I would recommend. Keep a drill on you, keep the attachment on you. $6, you can't beat it. So right now I'm gonna show you guys the level, just to show you that they're all level. I don't know the best way to show this. I hope you guys can see that. Yeah. But as I was sharpening them, I was taking them off, leveling them, making sure that one side was not heavier than the other. And that one's good. Let me stop the shake just so you guys can see. That one's level, if you guys can see that. And lastly, getting on the level. Actually, this one needs a little bit more sharpening, but the level actually shows you this side's leaning down a little bit more, that side's leaning up a little bit more. I can't tell if you guys can even tell, but I can tell. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to sharpen this side just a little bit more, grind it down, and we should be good to put the blades back on. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, like I said, I'm not saying that this tool will replace any kind of heavier machinery, but for quick convenience on the go, out mowing, if you need to sharpen your blades for any reason, I'd recommend it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.